What's up, foodies? Welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. And on today's episode, we'll be making this delicious one pot meal with you guys. So, if you're a lover of soup, come here. If you love potatoes, peas, or even ground beef or minced meat, come and let's make this delicious meal together. It did not cost us like a lot, and it tasted so well. This is a meal that you can even cook for yourself as a treat. You can even eat it for for a special occasion. Yes, and it is a healthy meal, and it has a lot of healthy carbs and also proteins. Let's make this meal together. So in this recipe we are going to be using some potatoes, and you have to peel them. You can either decide to peel or wash thoroughly, but personally I just prefer peeling. Yes, peeling will save me from it will also help me conserve a lot of water. So let's go wash them. So potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and our red bell pepper washed and rinsed. Then we have our ground beef or minced meat. Okay, yes. So here I have onions, tomatoes, red bell pepper, and guys, I've listed down below the ingredients in the description box. Kindly check that out. So let's heat that up. Add in some cooking oil, just enough to cook the onions. Okay. So as you've had the oil is heating up, so we're now going to add in our onions. And onions carry a lot of flavor. Okay. So we just let it saute in the back. So our onions are well sauteed. We're now going to add in our tomatoes and red bell pepper. Give a good stir and let the tomatoes cook. So we're now going to add in the potatoes. Do not add water. Let it cook while you wash it. Give it a good stir. So far we've not put any water. Because you want your potatoes to have that good taste. Added some water. We're going to add in some boiled peas. Guys, this meal is going to be terrific. Then we add in the ground beef. Now we want everything to cook well. So the only boiled thing is we have the boiled peas, nothing else. So yeah, let's wait for this to cook. Since I want some soup, I'll be generous with water, like so. You can substitute the water to broth, any broth. Then add in some salt generously because this food is a lot. Yeah? So let's wait for this to boil. So guys, as you can see, our food is boiling, and this is just how I check whether the potatoes are well cooked. And you just take it, you just check using a sharp knife or even a fork. You try and cut through, but if it does not cut like easily, the potatoes are not cooked. And don't just confirm with one potato, confirm with a lot. Okay, yes. So after that, our meal is ready. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.